welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan. Thank you for dropping by. Please hit the subscribe button. Yes, the red button that says subscribe. And if you love the look of this sauce, please stick with me and let's see how we got here. So today I'm making a very versatile smoked fish veggie sauce with palm oil, and I'm pairing it with boiled Irish potatoes, one of my favorite all-time carbs. Okay, so this sauce can be paired with anything, rice, fish, etc. So I'm boiling our Irish potatoes first because I want them super soft. So I'm just going to leave that to just go all in, and then I'm pouring in about 3 ladles of fresh handmade palm oil from my mother's farm. Yes, and then putting in our garlic first. I'm not going to smoke the oil too much, so I'm going to make sure that our garlic infuses with the oil for a little bit before I add half of our chopped onions. I'm using 2 big onions, so this is chopped red onions. Yeah, so this is going to fry a little bit, and then I'm going to add in freshly chopped tomatoes. Please bear in mind that this is a bit sped up. Everything I let fry for at least 3 to 5 minutes before adding the next thing. So our chopped tomatoes are frying, and then I'm adding in a bit of chopped fresh pepper, and then I'm going to let this all cook on very low heat, and then I'm adding a little bit of ground pepper paste as well, just to add to the base of our veggie sauce. After letting this fry, I'm going to add in our smoked fish bits right now. Okay, and then I'm also going to let this cook very well with the base, and then I'm going to spice it lightly with thyme, curry, and seasoning. I'm keeping it as simple as possible. So you just want to make sure that everything is well mixed. Your fish is not like totally disintegrated in the sauce, but then it's also sucking in the juices of the oil and the paste, and everything is frying well together. And then you go ahead to put in your spices. So you want to make sure that everything is mixed in properly, and then you add your seasoning. Also remember that the smoked fish has its own unique taste as well, and it is a bit salty, so you want to be careful so that you do not over season the sauce. And if you'd want a little bit of moisture, you can add a little bit of water. I didn't want, because I'm using vegetables and I know that the water content from the vegetable is going to give me a little bit of moisture. Also, you guys know that I always reduce my sauce like just a little bit so that I can have 2 parts of the same sauce. The next thing we're going to do is add in our fresh vegetables. You can actually use ugu or any other vegetable that you want to use. I'm using just normal vegetables today. This spinach, properly washed. I didn't use hot water because I'm going to let the heat of this pan just wilt the leaves. But you can also use hot water. This was what we just cold water, but you can also use hot water. I have a video where I washed vegetables like thoroughly, so I didn't see the need to bring the whole shebang in. I'll put the link in the description box, or I'll link it in this video so you can check it out. our sauce is properly mixed in and it's ready, the next thing I'm just going to do, you guys know, as usual, add our remaining chopped onions, and our sauce is done and ready to serve. Please hit the subscribe button. Please show me some love by sharing my video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mdevaan again, and thank you.